In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the PS5 update that everyone's been waiting for. The variable refresh rate VRR update for PlayStation 5 is finally here, and turns out you do not need a PS5 firmware update to get this feature. To get VRR for PS5, the process is very easy, and this video will show you how to do it step by step. So make sure to leave a like rating and we'll go ahead and get started. Step 1 is to make sure your PS5 is up to date with the latest firmware. You can check your firmware version by going to your settings, select System, System Software, and then choose Console Information. You want to make sure that your current PS5 software is up to date. Next, you need to completely power down your PlayStation 5. Do not let your PS5 go into rest mode. You need to make sure it's completely off. Once the power indicator lights have stopped blinking and the shutdown is complete, I recommend unplugging your PS5 for just a few minutes. This step is optional, but I always recommend doing it for a complete cold restart of your PlayStation 5. After a few minutes has passed, go ahead and plug your PlayStation 5 back in and power on the system. Once you are logged in and back at the home screen, go to your settings, select Screen and Video, Video Output, and within the video output settings, you should now see that the VRR option has been successfully added to your PlayStation 5. Just make sure that VRR is set to automatic and you're good to go. There's also an option to apply VRR to unsupported games, which can improve video quality but might cause issues with certain games. I recommend setting this to disabled if you begin experiencing noticeable issues in game. Lastly, if the VRR option is grayed out or cannot be enabled, it's because your TV either doesn't support variable refresh rates or it needs to be manually turned on within your TV settings. I recommend checking your TV's user guide for more information and detailed step-by-step instructions. So now you know how to get the PlayStation 5 variable refresh rate update. In short, you just need to do a hard reset on your PS5 and you should be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.